Hi Kalpana, good evening. Hi Rajiv, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Hey, good evening Rajiv. You're the first person to be on time on my show.
I'll take that as a compliment.
Of course it is, it is. सिर्फ लाइट थोड़ा चमकाना चेहरे पे.
एक मिनट रुक. Hold on. Now is it better?
Little better, but I can't actually see from here.
Hmm, that's the best angle I
Zoom
can
जाओ.
get.
If you can turn yourself, I think. With, I mean, light के तरफ अपना face करके बैठोगे तो शायद.
लाइट की तरफ फेस करना है. Give me 2 minutes.
Yeah, sure. राजीव बहुत आवाज कर रहा है ना. चेयर इधर हिलाओ, उधर हिलाओ.
Just hold on. This is much better.
Yes, yes, absolutely. चेहरा दिख रहा है. अरे वाह, गिटार एंड ऑल, यू प्ले
Yeah,
गिटार इज इट?
this
गुड,
is
सो
much
वील
better,
हैव अ
right?
गिटार टू. यस.
Yeah, sorry, you were saying
आज
something.
गिटार बजाना है. ऐसे आज
नहीं
गिटार
यार, वो
बजाना
मैं
एंड ऑफ
नहीं
द
हूँ,
शो.
मेरे बेटे का है.
अरे यार, आई थॉट यू आर प्लेइंग.
No, I play this.
चलो, जो भी प्ले करते हो उसको हम लोग प्ले करेंगे.
Yeah, I need to set up. So, anyways,
Yeah. So yes, welcome to our show, Roaring Cycles Expedition. Thank you for joining us and agreeing to be our guest on this show. And also thank you for being on time on the for the interview. So, Rajiv, without wasting much time, let's start with the interview. And HR ka question, tell us something about yourself other than being a biker.
uh, HR questions is something that I usually hate, but okay, it's more like
You
an
don't have a
interview.
choice.
So
Yeah.
basically, I'm a science graduate, and have
Okay.
been into IT, or rather, I was into IT, and
Okay.
left my IT career at a good, nice, fat pay at a very top management level, and started with the accessories because
Okay.
I realized over a period of time that the higher you go on a corporate ladder, the more screwed up you get. You don't have time for yourself, you don't
Absolutely.
time have for family, no time for rides.
Correct.
बोला छोड़ो यार, किसी
Mhm.
और के लिए घिसना है तो थोड़ा
Absolutely.
अपने लिए घिस लेते. And that is when
Absolutely
I
correct.
started with A to Z Motorcycle Superstore in 2010.
Mhm.
So
Oh,
at that
that's
point,
10 years.
yeah, so it is about 10 years, and before that about 12 years of IT experience, which I left
Mhm.
aside, and I started with this A to Z Motorcycles.
Okay.
And when I
Cool.
started, there the only other accessory store was outdoor travel gear. The rest all were
Mhm.
all helmet stores, which
Okay.
eventually, shifted to accessories.
Accessories. Yeah.
So
Correct.
this is a very
Now
very
it's
brief
become a
about.
trend.
Sorry.
Now it's become a trend.
Yeah,
Accessories, rakhna
yeah.
and all that.
So now it is like more of a person who is into rides, who has a group. He does a very quick calculation. चलो यार, मेरे ग्रुप में 100-200 लोग हैं, हम दुकान डालेंगे, बंदे हमारे पास आएंगे, अपनी दुकान चल पड़ेगी. Unfortunately, that doesn't happen. because what I have
Yeah,
realized is maximum business you get is from strangers, not your known people, which is a hard fact.
absolutely correct. Yes, very hard fact. I know it. Been there, done that, or doing that. So,
So
yeah, so A to Z motorcycle, A to Z motorcycle spares, or sorry, um,
accessories and
accessories. Yes.
riding gears.
So,
Yeah.
so वो 10 साल किया फिर और what about your family and where do you stay?
So I stay in Thane. I've been born and brought up in Thane. So you can
Mm-hmm.
say, okay, being a Gujarati, still I can say I'm a Thanekar, married
Okay.
to a Maharashtrian, and
Mm-hmm.
I have a son who is now in 12th. So
Asha,
wife
nice.
works with a Whitehead Junior. So a lot of controversies
Okay,
going around with that recently.
absolutely.
So
Yes.
she's an online teacher.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, someone says we want
Nice.
to see Danav. Sorry, buddy.
रुको
Danav
रुको.
is parked safely in the parking with the cover nicely covered up.
Correct.
So Danav
So
is
उनको
my
साइड पे
Benelli
रखेंगे
GT.
दाना. Oh, okay. Nice.
So
I will
uh,
come to that. I'll come to
yeah,
that.
okay. Then
So
let's hold on.
yes. So let them hold on to see the Dana. Maybe a photograph or something like that.
Mhm.
So yeah. So what I was asking is, how did you get onto this passion of biking? How did you start with it?
So from when I was a small kid, and I'm talking about maybe late 80s, early
Mm-hmm.
90s types. Whenever I used to, at that time, the having a vehicle itself was a big luxury. So we didn't had any vehicle as such, or we used to depend on uh, public transport, more like a BEST train, thing like that.
Right.
With
Huh.
BEST, or whenever I used to travel, that sound of the bullet, that tug 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 tug
Hmm.
tug, always used to create that adrenaline rush. So I always used to think, नहीं यार इसको एक दिन मैं बुलेट लूंगा.
Mm-hmm.
Knew nothing about rides, nothing about riding. It was more about भैया एक दिन बुलेट लेनी है. So my first
Okay.
bullet I purchased, that was in '98, and that
Oh.
was when I started working. And
Mm-hmm.
so when I did my IT graduation, it was a MCA. We
Mm-hmm.
were going through a very hard recession. So getting jobs
Mm-hmm.
was difficult. Placements, though there were placement agents, placements
Huh.
happening, but uh,
Huh.
the number of students getting placed were very less.
Very less. Yeah.
So that time I started with store, a hardware store.
Mm-hmm.
It was more like
Mm-hmm.
a assembling of computers and things like that. That was with a partnership
Mm-hmm.
with my brother. So
Okay.
uh, I got a very good deal in one of the products, made some money.
Mm.
The first thing I did was I bought a bullet. This was '98. That was my first
Wow.
350 which came in. Knew nothing about Royal Enfields, knew nothing
Mm-hmm.
about RTO transfers. मैकेनिक के पास गए,
Okay.
मैकेनिक का एक बंदा ने गाड़ी दिखाया,
Huh.
and next thing I know is within 6 months the crank has started giving up a noise and the engine had to be opened up. So that was my
Okay.
first learning कि भाई गाड़ी लेना है देख के
Correct.
ले लो. Second learning the same
Correct.
bike gave me was uh, it was registered with a Baikala RTO, Tardev
Huh.
RTO 01
Okay.
MH01. Shifting
Uh-huh.
to Thane needed a NOC. So when I went there
NOC.
to apply for NOC, the agent
Hmm.
says सर आपको उल्लू बना है. मैं बोला क्यों भाई क्या हो गया. बोला सर ये गाड़ी का एनओसी ऑलरेडी निकला हुआ है. बोला पॉसिबल नहीं है.
Wow.
ऑन डिगिंग फर्दर वी फाउंड आउट ठीक है भाई ये एनओसी किसके नाम पे लिखा है उससे बताओ.
Huh.
दैट गाय वाज सम ओल्ड हाई कोर्ट एडवोकेट एंड अ स्टबन
Mm-hmm.
गाय. उसको समझाना मुश्किल था
Okay.
कि बोलता नहीं मैंने गाड़ी खरीदा ही नहीं है मेरे नाम पे एनओसी है ही नहीं. तो बोला सर फेयर
अरे
इनफ
बाप.
आप एक बार ये पेपर्स देख लो.
हाँ.
So that was a closed end over there. Then I again went
Mm-hmm.
back to RTO. This guy said, सर इसका भी एक ही इलाज है. आप इसको
Mm-hmm.
अंधेरी आरटीओ में शिफ्ट हुआ है. You go ahead, get a letter from them that this vehicle is not transferred over
Mm.
here. So the NOC will stand
Right.
cancelled. Apparently,
हाँ.
what had happened was, so in those olden days, 98, there was no computers, there was no electronic media. They
Hmm.
used to have this paper registers for each
हाँ.
vehicle. And
Correct.
when they issue a NOC, they stamp that particular paper. अब आरटीओ
Hmm.
क्लर्क ने जो गाड़ी को स्टैंप करना था, वो गाड़ी को स्टैंप
हाँ.
नहीं करके उसके पीछे वाले पेपर पे स्टैंप आ रहा, विच हैपेंड टू बी माई बाइक.
Oh.
सो दैट वाज अ क्लरिकल मिस्टेक, जिसकी वजह से आई हैड टू डू ऑल द रनिंग अराउंड. Then it took
Right.
2 years to get that thing cleared up. तब तक पासिंग खत्म हो गया था, तो पासिंग और एनओसी सब साथ में करवा के फाइनली द व्हीकल गॉट in my name, with
Transfer to your name.
transfer in my name, which
Oh.
was like 2 years. So that was a second learning कि भाई गाड़ी लेनी है, एनओसी के साथ लो, पूरा डिटेल्स निकलवा के ले लो. So this was my first experience with Royal Enfield. Then over a period of time, did some, I wouldn't say rides. It was majorly, commuting. The first long
Hmm.
ride that I did was at that time was Bombay Nasik, when
Okay.
me and one of my friend had to. This was I think 99 or 2000. उसकी एक
Hmm.
स्प्लेंडर
Hmm.
थी जो लेकर आनी थी. हम लोग गए, वी
Hmm.
वेंट टू एसटी स्टॉप. एसटी मिली नहीं. आई ऑलवेज वांटेड
Hmm.
टू राइड एंड दैट गाय वाज अ लिटिल स्कैर्ड. फिर उसको मैंने
Okay.
थोड़ा मैनिपुलेट किया, थोड़ा चाबी मारा. मैं बोला यार देख, एसटी पे जाएंगे, अटकेंगे इधर नहीं, उससे अच्छा अपन अपनी बाइक लेके चलते हैं. ही somehow
हाँ.
agreed and that was the first ride I did with
Hmm.
a long ride, I could say, at that point of time.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
then later on, I got in touch with Indie Thumpers. That was the first club that I joined. And that is when my actual, long distance riding started. And that is when
Hmm.
on the rides, you learn a lot of things about
Hmm.
bikes, about its
Yeah.
behavior, about those
Correct.
small things that, you need to take care of your bike. The bike tells you, boss, please repair me.
Hmm.
Otherwise, I'm
Hmm.
going to give you trouble on the road. तो ये छोटी
Correct.
छोटी चीजें फिर बाद में राइड्स में सीखते गए, सीखते गए, सीखते गए. So that is general, in brief, how riding started.
Cool. That's awesome. मतलब हाँ, I think typically most of us the way we have started, either it is for fun sake or I mean then when we actually started riding तो एक commute के हिसाब से शुरू किया and then
Hmm.
we started exploring places and exploring our bikes as well.
Right.
So
And moreover, see,
मेरे
when
लिए
I started riding,
हम्म
we didn't had a concept of helmet mandatory. Riding gears क्या होता है,
करेक्ट
ये मालूम भी नहीं
हाँ
था.
मालूम
A-
ही नहीं था करेक्ट
and when we used to go out on the highways, we
हाँ
were the only group. हमको तो
हम्म
कंप्यूटर भी नहीं दिखते थे हाईवेज पे. मतलब पीपल यूज टू लुक एट अस कि भाई तुम पागल हो गए हो, बाइक लेके जा रहे हो.
हाँ
And now today the scenario is different, is very different. Today you hit out on
it's very
any highway, you're bound to meet at least 10, 12 different groups minimum.
absolutely 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 वो भी if you just step out for Lonavala or if you go to Igatpuri तो मतलब मिलना है कोई ना कोई तो
Correct,
ग्रुप तो मिलना ही मिलना
correct,
है.
correct.
Yeah, I remember even so I started in 2004 तभी भी ये riding का concept was pretty new and gears helmet itself was like अरे वो 200 रुपए का मिलता है वो लेके पहन
Correct,
लो types
correct. So
just
at that
to
time, I
protect your head.
remember I had I was looking out for a. So I used to wear Ninja studs का जो Ninja आता है,
Okay.
which is a
हाँ हाँ
flip up
हाँ
modular helmet.
हाँ
So
हाँ
Thane में there is this Priya helmet house. I was looking out for something
हम्म
better. So I
हाँ
went there and I found. तो उससे पहले मेरे को सब नॉर्मल वाले दिखाए. ऐसे
हम्म
I need something which is good and safe. Then he showed me
हम्म,
a helmet by Vimar, VEMAR,
हाँ हाँ
VEMAR, Vimar.
okay
And at that time, the helmet was
हम्म
costing around 17, 1800. I'm talking about
okay
2004.
हाँ हाँ
तो शायद उसके पास भी
मैंने
कभी आया था. And he
हाँ
was not able to sell because वो थाने में मार्केट था ही नहीं. He was more than happy to give me a good discount and I bought it for 1500.
wow nice
So that was my first, I would say, a good helmet, which was like about 1.7 kgs.
nice that was heavy at that time.
Yeah, yeah, that was heavy.
Yeah, cool. So which was your I know you did Mumbai to Nasik. That was your first like long ride as such.
Mhm.
But which was your first memorable ride? Yeah, something that would have been very unexpected, but you did it, kind of a thing.
Uh, See, every ride has got something or the other to teach. Every ride is a memorable by
Correct.
itself. But
Absolutely.
I mean, see, I
बट
mean, it would be
कुछ
very
तो छाप
difficult for.
छोड़ा रहेगा.
Sorry,
कोई तो राइड ने ऐसा इतना छाप छोड़ा रहेगा कि लाइक यू वुड रिमेम्बर इट एट एनी गिवन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम.
हर राइड पे कुछ ना कुछ हुआ था, but and I can probably tell you couple of stories.
श्योर.
And so 2003 when uh, that's when I started riding. My second ride was
हम्म.
Goa. This was in June.
हम्म.
And अभी जब क्लब ज्वाइन किया था, आई वाज राइडिंग अ 350. पब्लिक की 500
हम्म.
देख के, सो देयर वर कपल ऑफ राइडर्स हु वर राइडिंग अ 500 एंड आई वाज वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड विद इट.
हम्म.
सो दैट वाज माय नेक्स्ट चेंज कि नहीं, अभी 500 लेनी है.
ओके.
And got my hand on a good 500. But that
हम्म.
guy who had the 500, he had changed the exhaust, modified the
ओके.
exhaust in such a way that उसने 350 का exhaust डाल के रखा था. Now 350 is
अच्छा.
what the inner diameter is narrow.
हम्म.
It is smaller as compared to the 500 का exhaust.
501. हाँ.
And they were like zipping through the roads towards NH17. बारिश का टाइम था.
हम्म.
By
हम्म.
the time I reached Chiplun, because the vent pipe was narrower, heat पूरा
हम्म.
नहीं निकल पाया था, and the bike's piston
करेक्ट.
seized.
ओ.
So that was the first experience of piston seizure. ठीक है, गाड़ी ठंडा
हम्म.
हुआ, चालू हुआ. So when a piston seizes, all you need to do is give it a 15-20 minutes. The bike will start, but the damage is done. So there will be a loss of power and fuel efficiency will go down.
राइट.
And so this was on the way. Return के time पे,
हम्म.
uh, so the mine was already seized. There was
हम्म.
another guy who was riding a 500. उसका floating bush was gone. So we had
हम्म.
two vehicles damaged. A floating bush
ओके.
and floating bush गया है, अभी घर तो पहुंचना है.
हाँ.
So from I think Ratnagiri, मेरा तो पूरा on and return was with a seized piston. This guy's floating bush started giving sound at Ratnagiri on the way back, and it was raining very heavily.
हम्म.
So we crossed the
हम्म.
Kashedi Ghat. We came down. We took a halt. थोड़ा चाय
हाँ.
वाय पिया और तकरीबन
हाँ.
7 बज गए थे. And with heavy rains, the visibility was a problem.
हम्म.
We started to ride और हमारे बाजू से एक sumo निकली. And he was doing a very
ओके.
good speed. We
ओके.
blind following it. I don't up to the extent कि अगर sumo खड्डे में गिरता था तो हम लोग की तीनों बाइक खड्डे में जाती थी. It was that bad. And we did non-stop from Polatpur to Thane. So on the outskirts, Pashi outskirts, we reached by I think by about 11 we reached. तो 4 घंटे में वो पूरा रोड सुमो को ब्लाइंडली फॉलो करते 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 आया. मतलब हमारी विजिबिलिटी सिर्फ सुमो की टेल लाइट थी. That's it.
वाह.
So
वाह.
that was one
ऑसम.
experience which is, of course, it was very risky. Now that we
या
sit and we think
एब्सोल्युटली.
about it, it was very risky. And another
बट
one
उस टाइम
was
पे कर लिया.
उस टाइम पे कर लिया. So ठीक है, तो हो गया हो गया. Another experience is 2010, my first NERM.
हम्म.
So that was a ride to Mechuka, a memorable
ओके.
ride. And so on one of the instances, uh, it was October, November types. So that area is
हम्म.
it gets very cold.
कोल्ड. या.
So from Itanagar to Zero, Daporijo, along and Mechuka, that was the route. And
हम्म.
we were clearly told at the beginning that was you have to get your tents and you have to get your sleeping bags.
हम्म.
And अब सुबह को 6-7 बजे ठंडी में ठंडे पानी से नहाए कौन. So we kept continuing. At one of the points we saw nice flowing water,
हाँ.
crystal clear water. सब लड़के लड़के
हम्म.
थे, सब नहाना धोना सब हो गया ठंडे, and it was ice cold water.
Oh,
We
okay. Yeah,
दोपहर के
very
टाइम
cold.
पे ठंडे पानी से एकदम ठंडा सब नहा के वी फेल्ट फ्रेश, बट ठंडी थी. वी
Hmm.
टुक अबाउट हर एक ने एक एक दो दो ढक्कन रम उतार लिया एंड वी स्टार्टेड टू
Nice.
राइड.
Okay.
विद इन 15 minutes it started raining.
Oh.
And I was with this guys, RER, VRAM, Royal Enfield
Hmm.
Riders Meghalaya. So I was riding with those guys.
Okay.
सब लोग एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट था, ब्रेकफास्ट पॉइंट था, टी पॉइंट था, वहां पे रुक गए.
Hmm.
So the
Hmm.
Bapang, Bapang is the guy who used to head that club then. He started,
Hmm.
he didn't stop. मैं बोला ये नहीं रुका है तो कुछ तो रीजन रहेगा. I blindly followed him.
Okay.
And where our pit stop was, उससे एक 10 किलोमीटर पहले he stopped for the tea. Then I asked him, Bapang,
Hmm.
why didn't we stop there? He said ये
Hmm.
पहाड़ी बारिश है, इसका भरोसा नहीं है. 15 मिनट में भी रुके और 2 घंटे भी चले. So best is you reach to your destination, get dry, and you wait. And it was on
Hmm.
this ride. Then we went ahead. We reached Mechuka. Mechuka is on the far northeast side, where I
Hmm.
think 27 kilometers is where the China starts.
Right.
Over there, we were
Border.
hosted with the Punjab regiment. So उन्होंने
Hmm.
बड़ा ग्राउंड पे सब अरेंजमेंट कर रखा था. एंड पीपल वर वेरी हैप्पी टू get a normal Punjabi food after 6 days, because
I can imagine.
northeast, pork and rice is a staple diet, and people like me who are veg, the only option left for me was either rice and curd or rice and dal, no other option.
Hmm.
And over there we had to pitch in our own tents again. It was drizzling the entire night with a temperature of maybe about 2 degrees 3 degrees at outside.
Wow.
So that was a
मतलब
different
ठंड में
experience.
तो मरना ही है.
Sorry.
ठंड में तो मरना ही है वहाँ पे.
Yeah, I mean the only savior that we had was our old monk. and
Oh,
and we actually started drinking right from the bottle neat, and that gave us some relief to
hmm.
withstand that heat. Next day morning we saw, entire snow, entire peaks were covered with snow.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
And on the same return ride, our last 250 km 240 200 kilometers or so was so pathetic. Total off-roading, no total bad roads. And somehow
हाँ.
once we reached Itanagar, so me and so they had made again a similar arrangements where you pitch in your own tent. So me and one of my friend Akash Karnataki, we looked at each other.
Hmm.
मैं बोला यार आकाश एक काम करते हैं, इधर ना ईटानगर है, होटल मिलेगी. So we went. So we were those initial guys who had reached a little earlier. वो होटल
Hmm.
we went to a checkout. He said, sir 1700 रुपए का रूम है. Without even a blink of the
Hmm.
eye, we just booked it. And within 1 hour, most of the hotels are already been booked, because
Wow.
as and when riders kept coming in, everyone
Hmm.
preferred staying at hotel. One of the
Hotel.
main reason for this was, see, when we are riding and when we are told that there is a 200-kilometer ride, जिसमें से
Hmm.
about 40 kilometers will be bad roads, very bad patch.
Bad road. Hmm.
We psychologically we get prepared for it. But if
Correct.
that 200 becomes 250, out of that, instead of 40, you know that it is a 170 180 kilometers of bad patch. You're not prepared for it, and that tends to tire you or drain you out.
Right. True.
So
True.
that is what happened with us, in fact most of the riders.
Hmm. Correct. So, I mean, a question on that, like, typically, okay, I do not set any expectation even if someone tells me the road is good over the,
Hmm.
I mean, especially in the mountain range also.
Hmm.
But what would you advise to people, like you said, if someone says that it's a 200-kilometer of bad stretch, but you find out that it's 250 or 300, or maybe just a 20-kilometer more, which is really bad, and someone is not prepared for it, and they get frustrated over it. What is the best way to tackle that frustration, or best way to smooth it out in your mind?
Take a small break, have take a small break, relax a bit, and then start riding again, because this is something that you cannot avoid. And See,
Correct.
at that point of time, there was no GPS, there was no technology to or find out how the roads are.
Hmm.
Today we have a good technology. We have we can plan better.
Yeah. True.
But the only solution to this is so I may be probably able to pull myself or push myself a little bit more, but the co-riders
Hmm.
may not. The best thing at this point
Exactly.
is take a stop, have a tea. Those who smoke, let them have their smoke, let them relax, and then start again. But in this case, what happens is normally if we do 100 kilometers non-stop, so once you
Hmm.
reach that stage where you nahi yaar abhi rukna hai,
Hmm.
the stop number of stops increase. So instead of 100, you have
Increases.
to stop at maybe 50, maybe 60, because a rider, he was psychologically prepared for certain number of distance.
Hmm.
वो जब बढ़ जाता है, then you have to go slow. तो ही वो बंदा आएगा, नहीं तो वो नहीं आएगा.
Correct. Absolutely. क्योंकि so when I was on a ride in the northeast, so I mean there were no roads. I was going towards Imphal from Silchar. In Silchar to Imphal, I
Hmm,
have to cross this area called Jiribam,
hmm,
and there were absolutely no roads. I mean, it was totally slushed out, and even ट्रक का एक्सेल टूटा हुआ था.
hmm,
इतना उसमें मतलब इतना अंदर धंसा हुआ था.
hmm,
And for I think close to 150 odd kilometers, I didn't find one person on the road.
hmm,
As in, there was no gaon also.
hmm,
So it gets very frustrating at these point of time. So like you said, you can endure that and you will go ahead.
hmm,
Similarly, I endured it, I went ahead. But then there are
hmm,
times when people really get so very down in these
hmm,
circumstances and they don't find people. They don't. एक चाय की टपरी भी नहीं मिलती है, कुछ नहीं
hmm,
मिलता है वहां
hmm.
पे. At these time, what is it that you would advise them to do to keep themselves motivated to move ahead?
Keep looking up at the milestones and break the
वो भी
journey.
नहीं रहता है.
Break the journey.
वो भी नहीं रहता है. So there was
Uh,
no no
so,
milestones, there was
okay.
no board, nothing. As in, I'm just
In
so
that case,
this is what happened with me,
keep,
but I'm just asking.
keep looking at your watch. The way to push it
Okay.
is, ठीक है यार चल और 10 मिनट खींच लेते हैं.
Mm-hmm.
After 10 minutes, चल यार और 5 मिनट खींच ले. चल और 5 मिनट खींच ले. See, if you think कि और आधा घंटा खींचना है,
Hmm.
you won't be prepared.
Right.
चल ठीक है थोड़ा और 5 मिनट और खींच लेते हैं, 5 मिनट और खींच लेते हैं, 5 मिनट और खींच लेते हैं. That small distances will help you cover up a lot. But
Right.
if there are milestones helps a better way,
Hmm.
because चल यार और 15 किलोमीटर है ना, और 15 मिनट ये जगह पे पहुंच जाते हैं. When you reach there, यार ये जगह चल और 20 किलोमीटर है ना, खींच लेते हैं. So that is what I do,
Right.
and it helps me a lot.
Mm-hmm. So typically, like basically set smaller goals to reach the larger goal and
Yeah,
keep moving towards it and then finish it at the end
correct,
of the day.
correct.
Yeah. Cool. I was lucky to find.
Okay,
So when
just
I
uh,
was
just to just
almost
to
like,
interrupt, I'm sorry.
yeah, sure, sure.
Abhishek is saying, and the kilometers on the auto to know the balance, which is also a good thing. But keep looking at an odometer, not frequently. You know, maybe after say about 20, 20, 30 minutes, because if you keep looking at frequently at the odo, अरे खाली इतना ही
Hmm.
कटा है, खाली इतना ही कटा है, that can act as a
Uh-huh.
negative thing. But if you look at
Correct.
after half an hour, what will happen is, अरे चल इतना कट गया, that can also motivate you.
Yeah. But typically क्या होता है ना, like so in the mountains जहाँ पे ऐसे गंदे से मतलब when it is completely there are no roads and things like that, that 50 kilometers will take you like it took me 4.5 5 hours to cover a 50-kilometer ride.
Possible.
So that वो और भी फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग होता है, अरे यार 10 ही किलोमीटर चले 2 घंटा हो गया
See,
टाइप ऑफ थिंग.
honestly,
तो
there is no what do you say, remedy to this. This is where experience and your itch to ride comes in the picture.
हम्म.
and
Right.
not everyone will explore these kind of areas either solo or even with a co-rider.
Hmm.
These areas normally वो बोलते हैं ना जिसको भाई खुजली है मेरे को एक्सप्लोर करना है, ऐसे बंदे ही नॉर्मली उधर जाते हैं, बाकी तो आधे से ही रिटर्न आ जाते हैं.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it needs kind of an endurance, not only physically but more mentally,
Yeah.
to endure that hardship
Yes.
and push yourself forward.
Yes, it is more about psychological or your willpower or your mental endurance, how you push
Yeah,
yourself, because you are the best person who know yourself. No one else can judge you, no one else can know you. So you are the
correct.
best person who knows how to push yourself. Get that key,
True.
and you should be able to cover a lot of places in a lot of way.
Yeah. I'll just interrupt you. I just wanted to say thank you to Sohan Roy, sir. This is the first time he's come on to our show, and I hope he comes on to other shows as well. I mean, खास invite है उनको. So,
Welcome, sir.
uh, yeah. So, Rajiv, when I first spoke to you, I think on WhatsApp, I mean, I didn't relate that it was you as such.
Hmm.
मतलब हम लोग इवेंट पे कहीं पे मिले थे, but then I didn't remember it was
The
you.
first time I
So,
met you, I think, was G2G. That was the
हाँ.
first time I
So
remember meeting you.
correct. But then the thing is, I never, when I messaged you on WhatsApp, I
Hmm.
didn't know that this was you as
Hmm.
such. You know,
Hmm.
when I asked for the accessories and things
Hmm.
like that, if you remember, I had to buy for a student of mine.
Hmm. Hmm.
So that's when you said that you used to train people to ride motorcycles.
Hmm.
How did you start about that?
Well, when I say train, uh, it started with my wife. In fact, I pushed her
Mm-hmm.
to start riding. So she
Uh-huh.
was one person who is like, who had never been on the roads as a rider. She has joined me as a pillion couple of rides.
Mm-hmm.
So बोला नहीं यार, so her name is विद्युत. बोला विद्युत तेरे को सीखना पड़ेगा.
Mm-hmm.
Started with Activa because साइकिल आती थी बट कभी रोड पे लेके नहीं गई थी. Started with Activa,
Mm-hmm.
and that was a time when जहाँ पे 30 का भी स्पीड जाता था. She was like नहीं राजीव, this is too high.
Mm.
And then eventually she got used to Activa, then shifted her to started with a Royal Enfield. So she has a AVL Thunderbird that she rides,
Wow.
and the training started with that. And of course
Okay.
that is about how to basically, how you teach women to ride. So there are like
Mm-hmm.
about 3 4 ladies that I have taught proper
Okay.
riding, but that is something
Uh-huh.
that I do, you know, with specific people. It's not for anyone and everyone. And as far
Okay.
as training is concerned, I have been organizing rides. So there
Mm-hmm.
are this 1 day rides, overnight rides, where I have been the ride captain. And there are a lot
Uh-huh.
of things that I follow. I tell the riders to follow, and those are like very strict.
Mm.
If there is a formation, this is exactly how the formation has to be. How you overtake, what are the kind of judgment you need to do. So all those
Mm.
things, they come up as a discussion, and people learn whatever they can learn.
Correct. So, I I mean, like, and not just, I mean, when you said this formation thing, I just got onto this. So many people, I mean, we see a lot of groups riding to breakfast rides and
Hmm.
things like that. And uh, typically, when a particular lower CC bike is going, besides them, they come and they actually try to challenge those people to run
Hmm.
faster with them,
Hmm. Hmm.
or
Hmm.
tease them in some way or the other.
Hmm.
So what would you suggest can be the basic etiquettes for a group riding?
Whoever wants to go wherever they want to go, let them go. I'm not talking about the group, I'm talking about the other riders. They come and challenge you.
Huh.
नो प्रॉब्लम भाई, तेरी गाड़ी बड़ी है, मैं छोटा हूँ, मैं अपने हिसाब से चलूंगा, तू जा आगे. This is the best way you can handle it. And
Hmm.
Abhishek has put up a question saying, has training also helped you being patient? Yes, to a greater extent. because on the roads you will find idiots, which is an unfortunate fact. And the
Hmm.
moment they see a group, for some reason there are people who would just like to fiddle around. उनको बीच में
Hmm.
घुसना होगा, बीच में काटना, कट मारना होगा. At that point, see, on a group ride there is a specific speed. It's either 70, 80, 90, depending on the road condition, depending on the
Hmm.
highway. We
Hmm.
stick to that.
Hmm.
सामने वाला बंदा जा रहा है, जाओ. And forget about सामने वाला. There have been instances even on the group rides where
Hmm.
people just, the group rider themselves, some of them tend to speed away,
Hmm.
breaking the formation.
Yeah, exactly.
ऐसे बंदों को मैं वापस से फिर ग्रुप में लेता नहीं हूँ. वार्निंग कि बॉस, आइदर यू स्टे इन द ग्रुप और यू लीव, बिकॉज दिस इज अ
Hmm.
ग्रुप राइड, यू हैव टू एंजॉय इट एज अ ग्रुप. सोलो राइड करना रहता
Correct.
तो भाई गाड़ी तेरी है, पेट्रोल तेरा है, रोड पे मेरा हक नहीं है, रोड पे तेरा भी हक है, तो तू जो आगे मेरे साथ मत आ. Because on a group ride, the whole fun of being a ride is riding together. In fact, this reminds me of one of the experiences or one of those stories. We were returning from Dudli Falls, and
Mm-hmm.
I think we were about 40 or 50 of us. It was a big
Mm-hmm.
group.
Hmm.
Late हो गया था, and
Hmm.
so there is this Charoti ka टोल नाका, and there is Manor का
हाँ.
टोल नाका. We did a
हाँ.
non-stop ride. ठंडी दिसंबर का टाइम था. It was like shit cold. So
Yeah, it gets
December
very cold.
after 7:30 NH8 becomes cold.
Correct.
We मैं मैं I pulled on. मैं जानबूझ के रुका नहीं. मैं बोला ये जो 60 किलोमीटर से ये पहला कवर हो गया तो मेजर पार्ट कवर हो जाएगा. वो हो गया. Then people were just waiting. जहाँ पे रुका, someone went for a washroom, someone was like cigarette निकालो. They were just waiting for a break. Then
Mm-hmm.
again we started riding, और हमको बीच में एक हार्ली राइडर मिला. He was
Okay.
riding solo. Looking at the
Mm-hmm.
formation, that guy joined our group, and I think for
Oh,
last I think about 30 odd kilometers, he rode with us in the formation along with us till the fountain in cut where he went straight and we cut in left towards Thane.
oh, nice.
So that was more
That's
like
great.
even I liked it because एक solo बंदा जो अकेला जा रहा था, looking at the formation he came in, looking at the discipline he came and joined.
Correct.
So discipline
So,
is very much important for a group ride.
mm-hmm.
Discipline of the ride captain and of the riders. That is
Hmm.
when you will enjoy your group rides.
Correct. Because many times we see that group में ride कर लेते हैं, then post that is when these breakups starts happening. कि वो like that person was too bossy or this person thinks too much of that themselves and all these things. So that's why I asked, like, I mean, all in all, like basic group etiquette.
See, that is
Uh,
precisely the reason why you see 100 clubs within a vicinity of 10 kilometers.
True.
And I may be wrong, or I don't know if it's the right statement to make, but of lately, I would say about 70 to 80% are only show off riders. They just
Hmm.
want to show off. The real riders, like see my club, it was formed in 2011.
Mm-hmm.
I proudly say we are only 15 because
Nice.
what
I mean,
what we see is ये बंदा कैसा है. Because जब आप
हाँ.
when you go out on long rides, जो भी
हाँ.
हो 5 दिन 10 दिन 15 दिन, those
Hmm.
people who you ride with is, you know you are going to spend 15 days with those guys. You have to adjust with their temperament. You have to adjust with their that frustration. वो सब निकलता अपने बंदों पे ही है. That is where you adjust each other.
Correct. Because that is like a family, and in that
Exactly.
15 days you actually see how I mean, otherwise you just ride for a day or a few hours and then you're back home. But
Correct.
when you go for longer rides is when you actually know how the other person is with you and what are their thought processes about you.
So
Uh,
another example of the same thing. So we were riding to Chandigarh RM
okay.
2015, and
Mm-hmm.
we took halt at Ajmer.
Hmm.
अजमेर से मॉर्निंग दरगाह पे दर्शन करके आ गए एंड
Hmm.
व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड टू सैडल अप और जब गाड़ी चालू करा तो वन ऑफ आवर राइडर्स उसका व्हील ही नहीं घूम रहा है इंजन चालू बट
Oh.
व्हील इज नॉट एबल टू मूव
Uh-huh.
वी आफ्टर इंस्पेक्शन वी सॉ दैट उसमें है ना वो आगे के स्प्रॉकेट पे कपड़ा डाल के अटक गया था सो जो हम लोग जो
Oh.
फटका रखते हैं वो डस्टिंग क्लॉथ
Yeah, yeah.
that had slipped
Huh.
in from the gap. If you see your bike, it has got the Royal Enfields. They have got a small gap in the front where you can
Hmm.
actually see the front sprocket. वो gap से
Hmm.
slide होके अटक गया था. So
Oh.
we spent about I think 1.5 hours to get that fixed.
Hmm.
We started at
Oh.
about I think 11:15 के आसपास,
Hmm.
and by the time we could cross Jaipur, Ajmer Jaipur is like hardly I think about 90-100 kilometers.
100,
and
100, I think.
and another 30 kilometers ahead. By
Hmm.
evening 4, we took our lunch break at around 2:33, and I was not
Hmm.
keeping well. I was
Okay.
feeling feverish.
Uh-huh.
We took a halt there itself. So morning we wasted time with that pocket thing, and
Hmm.
afternoon because I was feeling feverish, we decided to shift so that our entire target for that day, which was 500 kilometers, came down to 130 kilometers.
Oh. Okay.
And we were actually our plan was to go to Solan Valley and from there head to
Hmm.
Chandigarh.
Hmm.
We reached Patni top. It was raining. We took a hotel at Karnal. We stayed there. It was raining the next day as well. We collectively took a decision. एक तो हमारा एक दिन पहले वेस्ट हो गया था और एक दिन यहाँ पे वेस्ट हो गया. हम लोग बोला सोलन वैली नहीं जाते, बारिश में राइड नहीं करेंगे, हम यहीं पे चिल आउट करेंगे. सो किसी ने
Hmm.
उस चीज का बुरा नहीं माना. यार साला मैं इतना खर्चा करके आया, सोलन वैली मेरे को नहीं देखने मिलना है. Point is, we enjoyed the ride, we enjoyed the journey
Absolutely.
together. That is what is important.
Correct.
The
I
moment you
agree.
start doing that, your ego will not come into picture, and you will start bonding. But bonding will
True.
happen with like-minded people.
बहुत बहुत सही कहा आपने. So Abhishek wants to know which motorcycle you have upgraded to now. I think it is that Dano, which
It's a
another guy was saying.
uh, it's a Benelli GT. It's
Mm-hmm.
a 84, close to approximate 84 bhp vehicle with it's a four-cylinder inline engine.
Wow.
So I have this vehicle with me since 2017. It belonged to one of my friend who
Mm-hmm.
migrated to Germany. So I
Okay.
purchased it from him, and it is called Danau. This name was given by my friend itself. The reason it is named Danau is the registration number is 666.
Okay.
So those who have seen movie Omen, they will
I
know
have.
that 666 is a devil's number.
Yeah.
And the moment you ride that bike, it runs like a dana. It is a crazy,
But
yeah, it is power packed vehicle. Just
yeah, absolutely. I mean, at 84 HP and four cylinder, I mean, four in line, it would be a massive
yeah, I mean
powerhouse, I would say.
it touches about 75 to 80 kmph on a first gear.
First gear. Yeah.
At the same time, I can ride at 65, 70 on sixth gear as well. That is the versatility the bike has.
Absolutely. I mean,
And
that is lovely.
top speed that I have touched on that one is 195, which is like
Wow.
ठीक है वो टच कर दिया था. So my son is like waiting. So when I told my son that I had touched 180, so he
Mm-hmm.
was waiting कि नहीं मेरे को भी पीछे बैठ के मेरे को वो स्पीड टच करना है. So that I did.
Okay.
So with him I did 180. That was on a return ride from Igatpuri. He was very happy.
Uh,
So
okay.
now on the way back I touched 195 on the way back from Udaipur RM. on the NH8,
Yeah, that's a nice stretch
2019,
actually.
2019
Mm-hmm.
RM. When I came back, I told him, Manan, I touched 195. So first of all, he gave me a very so khunnas wala look. So like, अभी मेरे को कब बैठा रहे हो? That way.
So how old is your son?
He's 17.
Okay. He still has time to get onto
नहीं
his
बाबा,
wheels
मेरे से
again.
कोई डरता नहीं है. कल्पना सिंह, राजीव को वैसे ही सब डरते हैं. तो मेरे से कोई डरता नहीं है.
नहीं नहीं, कोई नहीं डरता, मैं नहीं डरती हूँ.
Exactly.
So Kalpana also wants to go on to a long ride with you. Like, पता नहीं, आप प्लान
चलो
करो फिर हम सब
एक बार
जाएंगे.
थोड़ा कोविड का लास्ट टाइम इवन आई टोल्ड कल्पना थोड़ा कोविड का थोड़ा सिचुएशन खत्म होने दो. We'll
कोविड को मारते थे पकड़
definitely
के.
will definitely do a long ride.
Yeah. So Abhishek is asking, why I hope you have not put devil horns on your helmet to complete the Danav look.
No. That is
पक्का.
not. See, your Danav has to be within, not outside.
हाँ, आउटसाइड सिर्फ नंबर पे चलेगा. 666.
Exactly. एंड दानव तो भाई गाड़ी है, हम तो मानव है.
हाँ, आप तो राजी हो यार.
इंसानी है, मानव है. नो
So do you
अभिषेक
have
एट
a
द
pic of your
मोमेंट.
Danav with you?
सॉरी.
Do you have a picture of the Danav with you?
It's there on my WhatsApp DP. I should have. How do I share?
Uh,
How do I
or
share?
probably,
Should I send you on WhatsApp?
I won't be able to show it to the audience. Is there another phone or something where you could show?
I can. Okay, there is a no. No, I mean there is no option to send an image. I can only write a comment.
Yeah, never mind. We will
It's there
take a
on
look on it. So yeah, Abhishek was asking if you have started any rides.
not yet. Not yet.
Okay.
It is, अभी फिलहाल तो I'm concentrating more on the business, looking at the 6 months
Mm-hmm.
loss that
Mm-hmm.
has incurred. So पहले business थोड़ा track पे आने दो, and also like, riding out, looking at the COVID as a deterrent.
Mm-hmm.
So at this point, I don't think it is worth taking a risk.
Correct. Yeah, I mean, it's better to be safe than sorry.
Correct.
So Abhishek is saying you can send it to our page. I mean, Roving Cycles page, the photo of Danav, and we'll definitely post it on our page so
I'll WhatsApp you.
people
You
who
can
are
always
allowed.
post it.
Absolutely. So so Abhishek is very curious today. He's asking how has business come back with post COVID for you?
Business has not come back as yet. See, what happens is normally people spend when they go out for rides. Right now, if
Hmm.
you see most of the, in fact, all riding events are cancelled.
Yeah,
So it is next 6 to 8 months is going to be very tough. But then facts are facts. You have to face it. So right now it is more of a survival rather than the profits.
true. I mean, just be there or
Correct.
just
Sustain.
just living, hang
Somehow
in
you
there.
manage to sustain yourself, and business will turn around.
So Rajiv, what would you like to say to these newbies who are very hep about getting onto rides or doing things their own way? I mean, we find a lot of unruly people on the road, or uh, people, I mean, they think that they have just worn the gears and all, and they whiz past, not following rules and things like that. What would you like to tell for them?
See, safety is the key. No matter however experienced you are still only 50% safe because your judgment is in your hands. Someone else's judgment or riding style or driving style is not in your hands.
True.
Unfortunately, those the new riders who are coming in, they don't
Mm-hmm.
realize what power they have. So there is this saying, with great power comes great responsibility. That is something that we, the riders have to realize. Second, I
Hmm.
have seen a lot of rider running behind records.
Hmm.
Do a record, it is not a bad thing. Do your record,
Hmm. Hmm.
but don't, publicize it in the advance itself. So
Hmm.
okay, I'm doing this. I'm leaving for this, iron butt ride. I'm doing this for this LDR ride. And what happens is,
Hmm.
once you announce it,
Hmm.
somewhere at the back of the mind, यार साला अभी बोला है करना तो पड़ेगा.
Hmm.
That
Hmm.
can lead to accidents. Second,
Hmm.
yeah, there are a lot of people, like I said, who are doing it for the ride, even if you don't announce.
Hmm.
Because riding is about enjoying. There are different
Hmm.
highways. At times you enjoy riding slow, enjoying the
Hmm.
nature, looking around.
Hmm.
At times there are open highways where you can see, it's a 400, 500 meters straight vision. Open up your
Hmm.
throttles over there where you know that you have enough time to brake and
Correct.
anticipate.
Hmm.
Anticipate, there is a vehicle going ahead. There are two vehicles going ahead, three vehicles going ahead. Anticipate or try to take a judgment of all three. किसी एक ने
Hmm.
भी थोड़ा भी गलती किया can result on a serious damages or loss. So use your
Absolutely.
brains while riding, use your eyes while riding, use your ears while riding, use your nose while riding. Riding is
Hmm.
all about using your senses. It's
Senses.
not
Yes.
just kickstart the bike and accelerator more or chalo.
Perfect. Yeah. Yeah. Josefa has just joined
Hey,
us.
hi
Say hello
Josefa.
to you. So yeah, that's a very true thing because they always come. I mean, they just whiz past. They don't have a vision ahead of them. They don't look ahead, and then they go and crash, and it will be like, oh, suddenly kutta aa gaya. Oh, that guy suddenly he crossed the road. मतलब suddenly कुछ नहीं होता. There is always something that is happening before that, and then the
True,
thing happens.
true, true, very true.
Yeah. So what would you like to tell us? हम लोग अभी बच्चे हैं आपके सामने.
ऐसा नहीं है यार. I mean, see, a rider is a rider. There is no senior, there is no junior. A rider
Yeah,
is
but
a
then
rider.
experience counts.
Yeah, experience part. See, it is just a matter of time. You started riding in 2004. I started in 2003.
Hmm.
There are people who have started, recently. Maybe 10 years down the line, they will have their own experience. I always keep saying this: a man learns from his experience. A wise man learns from others' experience. The key line, or the key, like I said earlier, is keep yourself safe,
Hmm.
because more and more vehicles are hitting out on the road, more and more idiots are hitting out on the road. Your ride, you have to keep yourself safe. That is the major part. बाकी rides होती रहेगी, आपका घूमना होता रहेगा, सब होता रहेगा. You have to keep yourself safe. And when I'm talking about safety, it's not in just in terms of your riding style. It is in terms of what kind of helmet you are wearing, what is the condition in which you have kept your bike, whether it is tires, whether it is battery, whether it is electricals. ये सब छोटी छोटी चीजें can result in big accidents. Tires, I have
Hmm.
seen people, अरे मेरा टायर तो 5 साल से मैंने बदली ही नहीं किया है, अभी तक उसका ग्रिप ही नहीं गया है. भाई वो कभी तेरे को स्किड मार के गिरा देगा, तेरे को पता नहीं चलेगा. सबसे पहले वो बदल.
Correct, because they don't consider that it dismembers over a period of time.
Yeah,
And
with when it comes in, connection with the, when it gets in the atmosphere, when it gets exposed to the atmosphere, the rubber tends to start getting hard, cracks develop,
correct,
and that
yeah,
is not going to give you traction on the road. हल्का सा पानी और गाड़ी
true,
स्किड मारेगा.
yes, very true, very true. So
And
Abhishek has,
one more thing, Shilpa,
yeah,
one more thing, and one more suggestion I
yeah,
would
yeah, yeah,
like to give to all those
sure,
riders, commuters, whoever it is, spend some time, learn some basics about the bike in terms of फ्यूज क्या है, किधर होता है, सीडीआई कहाँ है, क्या होता है, अगर गाड़ी चालू
Yes,
नहीं हो रही है तो क्या क्या चेक करने का, एटलीस्ट इतनी एक बेसिक नॉलेज भी रहोगे ना, यू वोंट गेट योर चांसेस ऑफ गेटिंग स्ट्रैंडेड विल reduce.
absolutely, 100% to that. 100% to that. So Abhishek has a question, which I will take on a re-session, but I will do read out his question. So he's saying, so it is contradicting to your business, but lighting for motorcycles have become crazy. What is the right light for riding, especially a lot of riders who go on night rides? So I'll take this question in another minute because we are coming to the end of the
Mhm,
hour,
mhm,
and Instagram will boot me out
mhm.
of the session. So
Okay,
let's reconnect in a minute's time,
sure.
and I also hope all the audience will join back and listen to this answer and few more questions before we let Rajiv off. So yeah, Rajiv, I will just boot you out
Sure,
for now and then
sure,
do rejoin with us.
sure.
Thank you. So yes, guys, stay with us, stay tuned. We will be back in another minute to um, get few more answers from Rajiv on this. See you soon. Stay with us. Do not go away.